Reagan from Respiratory. If you can just verify your name and date of birth for me.
Liz 6/29/96.
All right. I'm gonna listen to your lungs, so if you'll just move your hair to the back, I'm gonna make this quick and painless and get it over with quick. So just breathe normally for me. All right, I'm gonna go to your arm.
Okay.
To the back. All right, you sound clear. Do you have any questions for me?
No, ma'am.
All right, good to go.